One of the problems that we as creators face if you are creating videos, podcasts, or even social media content is the lack of genuine and good audio. If you want a good audio, then you have to pay a lot of money for licenses or for hiring expensive musicians. But what if I told you that there's an AI tool that can generate full songs with vocals and write lyrics for you and even create album covers in under 60 seconds? Let me introduce you to MusicHero AI, a new powerful app that's changing the way creators produce music. So let's get started. Now, as a content creator myself, I know how frustrating it is to find royalty-free music that doesn't sound generic or overused. And if you have to buy it from a licensed store, then add the cost of licensing and it becomes a big headache. MusicHero AI solves this problem for us content creators. It generates unlimited music tracks tailored to your style, theme, or the video mood. And you can even sell all of these tracks or use them in client projects without any legal issues. So what I'll do in this quick video is I'll show you their sales page first and then walk you through a quick demo of what MusicHero AI does. And then I'll give you my verdict of what I think about MusicHero AI. But first, let's look at some of the features of MusicHero AI and the benefits of the tool. Now, some of the key features of MusicHero AI are one, and this is my favorite, which is one-click song generations, which means all that we need to do is just choose a mood, the genre, theme, just enter a keyword and AI will create a music for you. In fact, with the same keyword, you can create multiple music scores for yourself. Second, you get AI vocals plus lyrics for every music that you generate. You can create auto album covers for the music. You have unlimited usage rights, which means you can download as many tracks as you want, use them anywhere, or even sell it to others. You can organize all of this into projects, which is something that I really like because you don't have to be scrambling for the music that you created. You can organize them into different projects. It is a smart AI engine, which means that you don't get the same track twice. So you can use the same keyword with the same input and get a different music track every time. Best part, commercial licenses included, which means you can use the content for your clients or you can sell it and make money. Now, what are the benefits of using MusicHero AI? One, you get to create full songs with vocals and lyrics in seconds, which means you don't have to be running around to find unique music for your content. This is all royalty-free music, so you can use it for commercial and personal projects without any royalty problems. You get unlimited downloads, which means you can use it for as many projects as you want and download as many music tracks as you want. There are no duplicates because every track is uniquely AI generated and you won't find a duplicate track that somebody else has generated. You can auto-generate the album covers with the built-in image editor, and best part, you don't need any music skills whatsoever. You just need to enter the keyword, select the options, and you get a unique music for yourself. This way you can save a lot of money that you would otherwise be spending on studio, licensing, or even composer fees. So overall, if you look at MusicHero AI, this is something that every content creator who is generating content, specifically video content or podcasts or social media content needs. For one-time charge, you get access to unlimited music that you can use for your lifetime. So now that we've seen the features and benefits of MusicHero AI, let us quickly take a look at their sales page and then I'll show you the demo and then I'll come back and talk to you about who this is for and what my thoughts about MusicHero AI is. The sales page for MusicHero AI, you can see here the page itself is a very simple sales page and it says what MusicHero AI is all about. It generates mesmerizing premium music, full songs with vocals and stunning album covers all in one click. So that is basically what it is. There is nothing much to it. It is a simple tool that generates premium music with full songs and vocals and also album covers all in one click. You get unlimited downloads, commercial use, there are no royalties, no repeats, and millions of combinations. So the sales page basically tells you about all of the features of MusicHero AI, and it also has a step-by-step process how to go about doing it. You can see here, all that you need to do is just select or enter a keyword, then let AI compose the music for you. All that you need to do is just choose a genre, a mood, a theme, and the track length, and hit the generate button. And once the music is downloaded, all that you need to do is just download and you can use it instantly. So that is basically what MusicHero is all about. They have a few samples of the music that have been generated by MusicHero AI on this page. You can listen to it here itself. And when you scroll down further, you will also find a few music samples that has been composed using MusicHero AI here. So MusicHero AI will be priced around $37 one time, which means there is not going to be any subscription charge. It is a one-time charge. So for $37, you get access to this software, which you can use for your life. Now, let us quickly look at a demo of how MusicHero AI works. Okay, so here I am on the dashboard of MusicHero. I'll quickly show you the navigation and how to go about doing it. On the left hand side, you can see all of the navigation links, dashboard, favorites, my music, my songs, AI music library, which is basically the collection of all the music that MusicHero has created, AI song library, which is a collection of all the songs. Then after AI library, you'll see album cover, which is all of the covers that have been created, projects where you can organize all of your projects, teams where you can give access to people, demo, and the support button, and the settings. So those are the options on the left hand sidebar. Here you have different workspaces that you can create, workspaces for your clients, for yourself. So all that you need to do is just click on add workspace. Then there is a demo, and finally there is a language. So you can select the language. I'll show you how that works towards the end. This is a demo account that we've created. Now let's quickly go and see how to get started with creating music. So first of all, what you do is you can click on project and give it a name, and it'll create a projects folder. So inside that folder, you can go ahead and create music. So let's say we are creating a music. So we'll click on generate music. It will take us to a page where you can enter the name, the prompt, and everything. So just mention the name of the music and a quick prompt on what kind of music you want to create. Let's say it's gym motivation music. The duration of the music, it can be anything. Let's keep it at 10 seconds. Select a genre that you want to create the music in, then a mode, and finally the tempo on what kind of a music you want, and then select the format. It can be MP3 or WAV, and click on create. Now you can see here it is already creating. Now one of the biggest glitches that I found is you can see there that the previous music that I tried to create, it is still showing as if it is being generated, whereas it has already been done, and it is asking me to please refresh the page. Even if you refresh the page, it doesn't go. It just stays there, which is something that I didn't really like. Now you can see here, if you click on the music, you can play it and listen to it here, or you can download it, or you can even delete it. When you click on the download button, it will download the music, and you can use it. It will download to your computer. So there are multiple ways that you'll be able to download it. You can see there are multiple options that you will be able to use to download the music. Now let's generate a song. Now again, in the song, you can enter a song name and paste the lyrics. If you have a lyrics, you can paste the lyrics. Otherwise, you can use the generate lyrics AI, select the gender, and finally the same genre, mood, and that finally the duration, and it will select create a music of your choice. So let's just create a test song. You can just mention 2-3 words on what kind of music you want, and click on generate AI music, and you'll be able to see that there is this lyrics, and you can select the genre, then select the mood and the timbre, and finally the duration that you want, and then when you click, it will start generating this song. You can see here the previous two are still showing as refreshed. Here is the one that we just created. You can once again play it. There is the lyrics, You can play it, download it, or even delete it if you don't like the music. So that's how you can go ahead and create music in Music Hero. Now when you go back to dashboard, you'll be able to see all of the music that you've created. When you click on this heart button, it adds it to the favorites, and when you go to favorites, it'll show all of the music or songs that you've favorited. My music is where you'll be able to find all of the music library. My songs is where you'll be able to find all of the songs that you've generated. The AI music library, like I said earlier, is all the AI tracks that have been created by Music Hero. Similarly for song, for album cover. Now let's quickly generate an album cover. So here you enter a prompt and you click generate. Now the album cover wasn't that great. I wasn't really impressed with the way it worked. It can create an image, but it doesn't necessarily always represent the kind of cover that you would want, but it works. And there's an inbuilt editor which you can use, which again wasn't that great. It was kind of okay. You could do a lot of things like cropping, doing simple editing, adding text, etc., but it wasn't that great. So album cover wasn't something that I was really impressed with. You can try different prompts. You can create different kind of album covers depending upon what kind of music you are creating the album cover for. So that is basically how album cover works, and all of the album covers you created shows on the album cover tab. If you go to projects, it will show you all of the projects that you've created. Teams again is something that I really like. You can add a team member. If you have a team member, you need to enter all of the details and click or select the access setting that you want to give to your team member. Then there is a quick demo to see how things work, the support, and then finally it is the settings. So that is basically what Music Hero is all about. And if you look at it overall, I found that the interface is pretty simple, easy to use. There isn't much. The music that was created by Music Hero was decent and it was good. I didn't find it repeating the same music over and over again. So overall it was fine. The dashboard was fine. You don't need to have a lot of tech knowledge to use it. You can change the language, which is something that I was really impressed with. You can see here, it's just a click of a button. You can select the language that you want. In fact, the music that is created then is created in that particular language. So overall, a decent software, very simple software, and user-friendly software. Before we continue, if you are interested in learning how to make $100 plus every day only by giving away free training, then there is a link that I have in the description box below. Go ahead and check it out. It's a free training. You can also start making $100 plus every day by giving away one simple free training. Go ahead and check it out. Now let's continue. Now that we've seen the demo for Music Hero AI, who is Music Hero AI for? Now, Music Hero AI is for any content creator. If you are a YouTuber or a video creator who needs fresh, royalty-free background music, then Music Hero AI is for you. If you're a podcaster who is looking for custom intros, outros, or even different segment music, then Music Hero is for you. If you're a social media marketer who's more focused on creating reels or shorts for YouTube or even TikToks, then Music Hero AI is for you. If you're a freelancer or an agency who is offering video or music services to your clients, then Music Hero can save you a lot of time and can help you make a lot of money. If you're a course creator who wants engaging music tracks without royalty issues, then Music Hero AI is for you. And if you're an entrepreneur wanting to sell AI generated music as a service, then Music Hero is for you. So basically, if you create content online, then this is a tool that you will want. So what is my thought about Music Hero AI? Now, I tested Music Hero AI by entering some specific keywords like uplifting motivation, motivational music, etc. And within 30 seconds, I had a full song with with lyrics, vocals, and a sleek album cover. I tried the same keyword again and got a completely different music, completely different track, a completely different album cover, and vocals. That makes this tool stand out. It is a very unique tool. Also, the AI generated vocals are surprisingly professional. It doesn't look like robotic or it doesn't feel like it is jarring. The dashboard is clean, easy to navigate, there is no learning curve, and you don't need to know a lot of music theory or mixing or editing. If you ask me what is my thought about MusicHero AI, then I think if you create content, any form of content regularly, or you're an agency working with clients, then MusicHero AI is absolutely something that you should go for. For that one-time investment of $37, you're getting a tool that will keep generating music for years to come. So you get complete control over creating unlimited royalty-free music, and this is something that any content creator would want to have in their arsenal. So you will save a lot of money, you can create better content, and you can even open up a new income stream if that is something that you choose. So I would recommend going for MusicHero AI. If you think this is something for you, then you can use the link that is there in the description box below and go ahead and get MusicHero AI for yourself. And if you do that, then I have a set of bonuses that I offer for any purchases that happen through this link. You'll be able to find a link to all of the bonuses that I offer in the description box below. Now, something that you might want to keep in mind, my bonuses are not generic bonuses like you will find in most other places. They are all PLR content, rehashed content. My bonuses are unique bonuses. I don't offer 100 different bonuses. I offer limited bonuses, but each of them will be valuable for you. So go ahead and check out the bonuses, and if you think MusicHero AI is for you, then go ahead and buy it right away. You'll be able to find a link in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then do give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comments below and I'll respond to all. If you're new to this channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so that you stay updated with all of the latest videos that I release. That is all that I have for today. I'll be back again with another interesting product review. Until then, keep watching. This is goodbye from Dilip.